Okay, might as well do a BTS video. The camera was supposed to be here. I just moved it, but I got it marked here in the bathroom. And it was looking out here. We were doing a reverse shot now, but this was the angle. What's creating this window effect is actually we got this Godox UL150 pointed over at a mirror, a piece of gaffer tape in the middle to kind of make it look like a window. And I got these really cheap. I think they're like $4 a piece. They're made of plastic, tree branch pieces, and I just stuck them in a C-stand and they're all sticking out. So yeah, that's reflecting off that and making that pretend window with this gobo of trees without leaves. In the meantime, we're replicating this light as this. We're shooting the scene where I stick my head around the corner. So we got that launched up on the GH5. We're shooting with the, what do you call it? The Helios 58 M44 M4. I forgot to mention also, we got this big guy, which is being powered, this big softbox, which is being powered by 4 Aputure B7Cs. They're inside there. And we just got the grid and everything up, and that's kind of working. That's kind of being like a side light. Good. There. Should be good. Then when I'm coming around the corner, I'm physically holding up this black beadboard, which is super cheap. I got it for like $2 from the dollar store. I'm just holding that against this wall so that we don't have so much white reflecting off, while I'm mimicking flicking the light switch on and off, which I had to unscrew the bulb so that wouldn't turn on. Just hold this up with my other hand whilst doing the scene and sort of peeking around the corner. The best thing about these things is that they're so cheap. Like this only costs like $4.99 at IKEA. Like they're so cheap. Like so cheap. Like they're so cheap. They're so cheap. They're so cheap. They're so cheap. Just tear it up. You can just tear it up. So cheap.